Here we are in Marbella again. Let me show you what we're doing right now. A few important things have happened since the last video. We've taken out all the windows, which means that we've got no windows in here at the moment. All the wiring and tubing of the electricity and the plumbing now has been done. We've placed most of the little boxes, and we covered all of the lines, all the inside the whole of the apartment. As you can see here, we got here the electricity boxes, so now this is all fitted. Another very important thing we're doing right now is, I'll show you in a minute. So another important things we received today are the little tiles for the bathrooms. So we've chosen, together with the client, small little tiles. One is Turkish and one is beige, I'll show you in a minute. But we found out, unfortunately, a slight difference in size. This should be 6 centimeters wide and 24 centimeters long. The width of these tiles, unfortunately, on paper is 6, but in reality is 5.7. And we always carefully plan exactly where all the tiles are going to be, because we want to make sure that the shower is right in the middle, the taps and things like that are right where they should be. And by missing 3 millimeters on every single tile, in the end, you come short or you have too much. So what we're doing right now is actually replanning everything very carefully. And you can see the beige ones. So we have to plan very carefully, because not only we have a certain wall and limits to work with, but also the grouting. Here we've got 1 millimeter and 1.5 millimeter. And we want to make sure that we work with as many as entire pieces as possible. So it's an extra thing that just happened today, and but we're sorting it out. That's just life of a renovation. So I'll speak to you soon. Keep you posted.